Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert 15 digits to ID to an 18 digit ID in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to our setup, and basically after that, we need to go to our objects manager. If you do not find it here, you can go and search for object manager. So click here. After that, you will need just to choose the object that you want to convert its ID to 15 to 18 digits. So I'm just going to choose account for example. And after that, here we will find the fields in relationship. Then we need to create a new field for the ID. After that, we need to choose formula. By clicking here, we will need just to click on next, and after that just give it a label, so just 15 uh, 18 for example, and this is just a name. And then we will need just to click on text as here. So after that we will go to next, and from that we will need just to, as you can see, check or having a simple formula. And now in the formula editor or here, we need just to have this operator, or let's just have here, we need to choose this one, just have this added here. And after that, we need just to set the visibility. Let's check the syntax, and of course it is correct. And we click on next, and basically let's wait for it. Now we have the visibility. You can choose anything. You can have the visibility for all these profiles, and you click on next, and after that you will save, and now you will have your ID that will be converted in this field. So whenever you want to have your ID that is converted, you will need just to check for this field that you have given them this label, and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.